Hello friends, this is Manjinder, and in this video we will discuss about the different type of cannulas and its different uses. Many of the questions are asked in different entrance exam and in the different interviews regarding the use of cannula, and they also ask about the different flow rates and diameter of the cannula. So in this video we will discuss everything about the every type of cannula. There are mainly four different features of the cannula. First is the color identification. We can differentiate the cannula according to their different colors. Next is the flow rate. Every cannula has their separate flow rate according to the size. And next is the size. Sizes also vary from 14 gauge to 26 gauge. And the next is uses. Every cannula has the separate uses, like some are valid for the adults and few are for the neonates or infants. Next we will discuss about the basic principle of cannula. Every cannula work on the behalf of this principle. Now we will discuss in detail what is this principle. The working of the cannula is based on this. Minimum gauge is equal to maximum flow, means the cannula which has a minimum gauge number, for example the cannula has 14 gauge number, has the maximum flow rate. So the cannula which has minimum gauge number means the gauge number is less, like in the orange cannula, and it has maximum diameter, means the diameter is larger. And next is a reverse of this, means the maximum gauge. The cannula, for example purple cannula which has 26 gauge, means the gauge is higher and the minimum flow rate, means flow rate is less. Means in the purple 26 number gauge cannula has the less flow rate and the gauge is higher, and the maximum gauge and the minimum diameter, means the diameter is less. And we will discuss this first cannula, orange cannula, and the gauge is 14 gauge and the external diameter is 2.1 micrometer, and the length is 45 mm, and the flow rate is 240 ml per minute. And the uses of this cannula, it is mainly used in trauma and in the major surgeries, and it is also used in a fluid replacement, and also useful in the case of blood transfusion. And this is the next cannula, gray cannula, and the gauge is 16 gauge and external diameter is 1.8 mm, and the length is 45 mm, and the flow rate is 180 ml per minute. And the uses are almost same that of orange cannula. It is also using in the case of trauma or in the case of fluid replacement. And these type of cannulas like orange and the gray one, they have higher flow rate because the gauge is minimum. Because the gauge is minimum, so the flow rate is higher. We can easily and fastly rush the fluid in the case of poisoning. It is mainly used when we have to replace the fluid rapidly. In case of poisoning or any drug poisoning, we can easily rush the fluid to wash out the internal body. And it is also used in a rapid blood transfusion. White cannula, and the gauge is 17 gauge and external diameter is 1.7 mm, and the length is 45 mm, and the flow rate is 142 ml per minute. And the uses are, it is used in the major surgeries or in the rapid blood transfusion or in the fluid replacement. This is a green cannula, and the gauge is 18 gauge and the external diameter is 1.3 mm, and the length is 45 mm, and the flow rate is 90 ml per minute. And the uses, it is used in a severe trauma or surgeries. And this is a pink cannula, and the gauze is 20 gauze, and the length is 32 mm. External diameter is 1.1 mm, and the flow rate is 60 ml per minute. And it is a type of cannula which is mostly used in for the different purposes, and it is ideal for the IV infusion and for the medication administration, and it is a cannula which is mostly used. This is a blue cannula, and the gauze is 22 gauze, and the length is 25 mm, and the external diameter is 0.9 mm, and the flow rate is 36 ml per minute. And the uses is that it is used in IV infusion or IV fluid administration with the flow rate, with the moderate flow rate, when we have to insert the fluid at the moderate flow rate. It is also commonly used type of cannula. This is a yellow cannula. Gauze is 24 gauze, and the length is 19 mm, and the external diameter is 0.7 mm, and the fluid rate or the flow rate is 23 ml per minute. And the uses, it is mostly used for the infants or toddlers because of its low flow rate, and the gauge number is higher. And it is also used for the fluid infusion in the case of infants. And this is a purple cannula, and this type of cannula has the maximum gauge number, and the flow rate is minimum, and the length is 19 mm, external diameter is 0.5 mm, and the fluid rate or flow rate is 10 ml per minute. And it is mostly used in a case of neonates, means in the case of newborns or infants. So this is all about the cannulas and their different uses and their different flow rates according to their gauge number. And most of the questions are asked that which type of cannula is used mostly, that is the pink or blue color cannula. This is the mostly used cannulas, and in case of infants we can use the yellow and purple one. So hope so you will learn all about the cannulas.